Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless. Wireless audio purity at its finest. These headphones combine Sennheiser's rich audio engineering heritage, delivering natural, rich, and beautifully balanced sound with modern features like active noise cancellation and impressive battery life. Key specifications: driver type. High-quality 42mm dynamic drivers, inspired by Sennheiser's professional audio transducers. Codec support: SBC, AAC, aptX, and aptX Adaptive for high-quality audio, low latency, and adaptability to the wireless environment. Battery life: up to 60 hours with ANC on an exceptional figure. Noise cancellation: ANC Adaptive ANC with transparency mode. Weight: approximately 293 g. Pros: best-in-class audio quality for audiophiles. Delivers an exceptionally natural and detailed listening experience with superb balance across all frequencies, accurate bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. aptX Adaptive Codec support ensures the best possible wireless audio quality with supporting devices, adapting to conditions to minimize interruptions. Impressive battery life: nearly the longest. 60 hours of playback makes them an ideal companion for long journeys and heavy use. Cons: noise cancellation isn't as powerful as its dedicated competitors. While effective, headphones like Sony or Bose still excel at completely blocking out noise. New design: while modern and comfortable, some fans of the Momentum series may miss the luxurious feel and premium materials, such as genuine leather and exposed metals, that characterized previous generations.